Now that you understand the basics of note value, I'm going to show you how it works in a practical situation. I'm going to show you how to transfer from eighth notes to eighth note triplets. Remember, they're half faster. So it's going to sound something like this. Now, in taking one of the fills from the encyclopedia, you can see here on the first example, it starts on the snare. And basically, I'm going to be sight reading these so I can show you how I would go about learning these. It just cycles, you can see, going down and up the toms. So I'd first get comfortable with just the fill, like this. And then you would see in the pattern, you want to watch which hand you start with in relation to which hand you're going to end with. With this fill, it's pretty straight ahead because you're going to start with the right and end with the right. On certain patterns, you might start with the right and end with the left. So you want to get your sticking worked out first. So now with this one, we'll do the beat, fill, back to the beat, like this. Now that we understand how it looks and feels within a beat fill beat context, we'll show you now in a musical context. Now you can see how that's a lot of fun and it sounds really good with the music. On our next example, we can see the fill. We watch the shape of the fill. You can see you got first tom, 2 snares, second tom, 2 snares, floor tom, 2 snares, first tom again, 2 snares. Now since it's triplets, it's going to be alternating on the accents. So first, just get a feel for the fill. We'll lead with the right hand, but then when we go to the second tom, it's going to be left hand, then right hand on the floor, left on the first tom. So I'll play just the fill like this. Now you can see we did a full bar, so we'll start with the right hand and it will be ending on the right hand. So now beat, fill, beat, it'll sound like this. Now you heard how it sounded slowly. Let's try it faster. Here we go. one thing you want to keep in mind when you start going faster is the crossover to the second tom with the left hand. You just want to make sure you keep that right hand low enough so that you're not doing that sort of thing. You want to just do. And then this one's got to stay nice and low. So that's why you want to practice it slowly at first. Then as you get faster, your hands will just know where to go. So let's try it in a musical context. Okay, now let's go through one more example of eighth notes to eighth note triplets. Again, I just scope out the shape of the fill. I can see it starts floor tom, second tom, first tom, and then 3 snares, and then it repeats that. So just getting the sequence feel, it goes like this. Now try again with just the beat. Now again, we'll try it a little bit faster. So it'll sound like this. And now in a musical context. And there you have your examples of eighth notes to eighth note triplets. The main thing is to have fun and enjoy music.